Lactose intolerance, the most common form of food intolerance, is a condition characterized by the inability to digest and absorb lactose, which is clinically manifested by gastrointestinal symptoms induced by the consumption of milk and its derivatives. Lactose is a compound that cannot be absorbed into the intestine but needs to be decomposed by the body's own lactase. When this enzyme is absent, the decomposition process cannot take place. After approximately 30 to 120 minutes after eating lactose-containing foods, signs of intolerance appear. Here are some foods you can eat if you are lactose intolerant. Lactose-free dairy products. Dairy products are important for the human body due to the intake of calcium and vitamins. They can be consumed in the lactose-free version. Thus, you can eat lactose-free cow's milk or almond, oats, soy, or coconut milk. Also, fermented dairy products are tolerated by those suffering from lactose intolerance, because fermentation eliminates sugar from milk. Kefir and cheese are among the fermented dairy products. Certain types of yogurt. You can consume yogurt, but you have to be careful about choosing the right one. Only yogurts containing active bacteria, which feed on lactose, are indicated and thus prevented from reaching your body. You need yogurt to regenerate the gut flora and for a beneficial intake of vitamins B2, B12, calcium, and potassium. Alternative sources of calcium. The body constantly needs calcium in order to function at optimal parameters. Besides dairy, there are a lot of calcium-rich products recommended for those affected by lactose intolerance: sardines, broccoli, tofu, orange juice, or walnut milk. Various food. Even with this intolerance, you can have a varied diet. It is allowed to eat chicken or fish, next to which you can serve mushrooms, beans, spinach, or cabbage. You also eat seafood, whole grains, and pasta. You can play with the flavors and prepare rich meals. You should be aware that the diet established as a result of lactose intolerance should be discussed and planned with a specialist doctor.